Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'll quickly show you how to fix audio issues on the Logitech G Pro X gaming headset. If your sound isn't clear, too low, or not working at all, follow these simple steps and you should be back to perfect audio in just a minute. If this is your first time using the Logitech G Pro X, the most important step is installing Logitech G Hub. This software automatically detects your headset, installs the correct drivers, and lets you manage sound profiles. After installing G Hub, connect your headset and check if the audio improves. If the issue continues, open Windows Sound Settings by clicking the speaker icon in the bottom right and then the gear icon. Go to Sound, and under Output, make sure Logitech G Pro X is selected as your default device. Then scroll to Input and select the same headset for the microphone. Also, check the volume mixer to confirm the headset volume isn't muted or lowered for specific apps. If sound still isn't working correctly, run Windows Audio Troubleshooting. In Sound Settings, choose Troubleshoot for either output or input and follow the on-screen steps. Windows can often fix driver or configuration issues automatically. Finally, if none of these steps work, the problem may be hardware related. In that case, contact Logitech support, especially if the headset is new, as they can help with repairs or replacements. That's it for this quick fix guide. Hopefully this helps you get the best audio out of your Logitech G Pro X headset.